Hi everyone, this is me again, Abby, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, magluluto ako ulit, and this is a healthy food ulit. It's a sizzling tofu. Yung gagayahin ko yung recipe ng samakse. So let's see if I can achieve the taste of it kasi sobrang miss na miss ko nang kumain nun, and I'm gonna try how to do it. So let's start it. So those are the ingredients. So first, I will fry this tofu. I'm gonna prepare this in a little bit and babalikan ko kayo. Okay? See ya! So, hindi ko alam guys. Sobrang dami ata ng sauce na nalagay ko. So, I'm done cooking everyone. So, eto na siya. Eto na yung aking tofu. So, let's see. Actually, hindi ko siya tinitikman kanina. Pero yung sauce, medyo tinikman ko naman. Pero I haven't tried this. So, let's see kung okay naman. Hindi syempre na-achieve yung sa Maxis. Hindi ko naman expect na ma-achieve ko siya. Pero feeling ko mas masarap to if it's on sizzling plate din. Pero yung so far yung lasa niya is good. So if you have any suggestions pa, yung mga easy recipe lang, healthy food that we can cook, let me know. Comment down below so I can try it. So join me on my journey on learning how to cook then. Yung mga simple lang naman na recipes. Thank you again for joining me today. And if you haven't subscribed on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Have a great day. Bye!